Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fine, right? So children, yesterday's video, I hope you enjoyed. Yes? So children, today we are going to start a new chapter, okay? So do you know what is our chapter's name? Yes. Our chapter's name is, any guesses? Yes, it is chapter number 15. Yes, air, water and weather. Okay, so we are going to know about air, water and weather through this chapter. Okay, so here a mind opener is given. So before starting the chapter, let's do it. Okay, look at the sunlight coming into your room. So in your room, when sunlight is coming, at that time you have to see, check. What are the small things you see shining in the sunlight? आपने देखा होगा sunlight में छोटी छोटी सी कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं. Let me show you. See children, in this picture you can see a sunlight is coming through a window in a room. Yes. So in this sunlight we can see these particles. Yes. These particles. Yes. So these are the particles that are present in air, right? So air is made up of many things like water vapor, dust, germs, etc. Right? So today we are going to study about air, okay? Now see this picture. Yes, in this picture you can see that steel glass. Yes, what is there on steel glass? Yes, water droplets. Yes, and do you know how it become water droplets? When air touch it, it converts into water vapor. Yes, into water droplets, right? So this is also we have seen, yes, with the presence of air, right students? By the end of the lesson you will be able to recognize that air is present all around us. Yes, and you are able to identify the different forms in which water can exist, right? And you are able to describe the water cycle also, and you will be knowing about the weather and seasons. Yes, so today we will discuss about air. Okay, so what is air? You are surrounded by air. You cannot see it, but you can feel the air when it blows, and moving air is called wind. वी ऑल नो दैट वी ऑल आर सराउंडेड बाय एयर, है ना. हम सबको ये बात पता है कि हम सब चारों तरफ से बिल्कुल अच्छे से वी आर जस्ट सराउंडेड बाय एयर, राइट. हम एयर को देख नहीं सकते, वी कांट सी एयर, बट येस वी कैन फील एयर व्हेन इट ब्लोज, राइट. जब भी हवा चलती है तो हमें फील हो जाता है, हमें एक फीलिंग आ जाती है, हमें एयर महसूस होती है. वी कैन फील इट बट we cannot see it, right students? We cannot touch it, but yes we can feel it. And what do we call this moving air? Moving air is called as wind, right? So what do you think that how air is made? Air is made up of several gases, right? Air किससे बनी है? Air बहुत सारी gases से मिलकर बनी है. Yes, the important ones are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Yes, एयर के अंदर बहुत सारी गैसेस है, सेवरल गैसेस आर देयर, एंड द इम्पॉर्टेंट गैसेस थ्रू विच द एयर इज मेड इज ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन, राइट. नाउ ऑल प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स ब्रीथ इन ऑक्सीजन. हियर one point is there that all plants they are same, but as we heard that plants gives us oxygen. Yes, so let me explain you this point, right? So I will explain you after this line. Carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food. खाना बनाने के लिए plants को कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की ज़रूरत होती है. Yes, now here I am showing you pictures through which I would like to explain you that what I am trying to say. See children, in this picture if you see, we are taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Yes, during daytime, right? During daytime, what plants are doing? Plants are taking in carbon dioxide and they are giving out oxygen. Yes, they are taking in carbon dioxide because they need carbon dioxide, sunlight and water to make their food. Okay children, so during daytime they make their food, and at that time they need carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. So at that time they just breathe in carbon dioxide and they are giving us oxygen. Yes, but during night time they just do like us. Yes, they just do like us. Like we are taking in oxygen, so they are also taking in oxygen and they are giving out carbon dioxide. Yes, because you have heard it many times from your old elders also, that during night we should not sleep under the tree. Yes, आपने बहुत बार ये बात सुनी होगी अपने बड़ों से, अपने दादा से, अपने नाना जी से, अपने नानी जी से, दादी जी से, या बड़े भैया से, या बड़े चाचा से, या मम्मी पापा से. आपने काफ़ी लोगों से ये चीज़ सुनी होगी. यू हैव हर्ड इट मैनी टाइम्स दैट ड्यूरिंग नाइट वी शुड always ignore to sleep under tree, because at that time trees are also taking ऑक्सीजन एंड दे आर रिलीजिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. है ना, रात को पेड़ जो हैं बिल्कुल हमारे जैसा ही करते हैं. दे आर ब्रीद इन oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Okay children, so that is why they are saying here that all plants and animals breathe in oxygen, right? And carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food, because they are making food in the presence of sunlight during daytime, and at that time they need carbon dioxide, right students? So apart from these gases, air consists many other things also. Like what? So let's see what are the other things that air consists. Air also has other things, right? It has water vapor, उनके अंदर water vapor भी होता है. Dust they are having, and they are having germs also, right students? And air also has a smoke and some harmful gases given out by cars and factories. Yes, because in previous chapter, in chapter number 16, we have already read about it, that how air gets polluted, right? So it gets polluted through smoke and harmful gases given out by vehicles and factories, right? So that is why we can say that air is having a smoke also, air is having harmful gases also in it. Yes, because I have told you about Bhopal gas tragedy. Yes, that happened because of air only, and that harmful gas releases into the air, and it got mixed with the air, and at that time thousands of people died because of that, right? So in this way we can say that these gases pollute the air, and when we breathe in this polluted air we may fall sick. Yes, we can fall sick. So this is how the pollution of air caused. Yes, air pollution caused by a factory. See, the smoke is coming out through the chimney of a factory and it got mixed with air. Yes, so I hope you have understood that what I was trying to explain you. Right, now we will study about forms of water. Okay children, so we will study about forms of water, that what are forms of water, right? So water is found in rivers, lakes and the sea, right? Water is found in rivers, lakes and sea, right? It is also found under the ground. So water is a liquid because it flows, right? जो भी चीज़ें फ्लो करती हैं, ओके, लाइक ऑयल, है ना, जैसे ऑयल है आपके घर में, या बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो बिल्कुल फ्लो करती हैं, लाइक जूस, राइट? सो दीज काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स दे आर नोन एज लिक्विड, राइट? When water is heated for some time, it slowly disappears. आपने नोटिस की होगी ये बात. If the water is boiling, water is heating up, at that time, after some time, when we see it slowly disappears. पानी जो है, अगर हमने पूरा भगोना, पूरा यूटेंसिल फिल करके रखा है, पूरा वेसल हमने फिल करके रखा है, और उसके बाद में क्या होता है, वो धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है ना. हम सोचते हैं कि पानी कहाँ चला गया. So it changes into water vapor, पानी जो है वो किस में चेंज हो जाता है, वाटर वेपर में चेंज हो जाता है, एंड दिस इज़ नोन एज एवेपोरेशन, राइट। एंड वाटर वेपर क्या है, वाटर वेपर इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ गैस, राइट। सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इज लिक्विड, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर इज गैस। यस, यू कैन चेंज वाटर वेपर बैक टू वाटर बाय कूलिंग इट, है ना। वो जो वाटर वेपर उड़े थे उनको आप ठंडा करके, कूल करके आप वापस से किस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, वाटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। आस्क एन अडल्ट टू होल्ड अ कूल स्टील प्लेट ओवर बॉइलिंग वाटर, सी दिस एग्जाम्पल। Okay, so ask an adult to hold a cool steel plate over boiling water. Yes, boiling water पे आपने स्टील की प्लेट ऐसे पकड़ कर रख ली. Yes, you can see drops of water on it, है ना, आप देख रहे हो ये सब ड्रॉप्स आ गए. Water vapor changes back to water when it touches the cool plate. जब वो उसको टच करते हैं तो ये जो वाटर वेपर है, ये देख रहे हो आप, ये जो वाटर वेपर्स हैं ये सारे किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं, वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में. यस, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कंडेंसेशन. ये जो प्रोसेस होता है जब वाटर वेपर वापस से वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कंडेंसेशन. ओके, नाउ सी दिस, व्हाट इज दिस. यस, इफ़ वाटर इज़ केप्ट इन द फ्रीज़र ऑफ द रेफ्रिजरेटर, है ना, अगर हम पानी को रेफ्रिजरेटर के उसमें रख देते हैं, वी आर कीपिंग इट इन द फ्रीज़र ऑफ अ रेफ्रिजरेटर, वो किस में चेंज हो जाता है, इट चेंजेस इनटू आइस. यस, एंड दिस इज़ नोन एज फ्रीजिंग. इसको क्या कहते हैं, इसको कहते हैं फ्रीजिंग, है ना, फ्रीज हो जाता है, तभी इसको फ्रीज़र इसका नाम दिया गया है, क्योंकि वॉट एवर थिंग्स वी आर पुटिंग इट, इट विल गेट freeze in it. Yes, and ice is hard. Yes, आपने टच करी होगी आइस जो होती है, ये जो आइस है, आइस बहुत ज़्यादा क्या होती है, इट इज़ हार्ड. Yes, and it is a solid. What happens if you keep ice in a warm place? It changes back to water and this is called melting. राइट, आइस जो होती है वो बहुत हार्ड होती है एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ नोन एज सॉलिड. एंड क्या होगा अगर आप इसको गर्म जगह पर रख दोगे, अगर आप आइस को वार्म प्लेस पर रख दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो वापस से पानी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. यस, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज मेल्टिंग. सो आई विल शो यू दीज एग्जाम्पल्स in okay, I will show you these demos. Okay, we'll do these experiments. Okay, water, water vapor and ice are three forms of water. So water क्या है, liquid, water vapor is gas and ice is solid. So solid, liquid and gas are the three forms of water. Right students? So what is evaporation? When water changes into water vapor, it is called as evaporation. And when this water vapor cools down and again changes into water, it is called condensation. Yes, and when we kept water in the freezer and it changes into ice, it is known as freezing. And when we keep that ice in a warm place and it changes back to water, this is called as melting. Right students? So how many forms of water are there? Three forms of water are there, right? Solid, liquid and gas, right? So solid क्या होता है, जैसे आपकी आइस हो गई, है ना, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो सॉलिड हैं, लाइक एप्पल है, राइट, ये भी सॉलिड है. लिक्विड क्या होता है, लिक्विड हमारा होता है जैसे हो गया जूस. यस, जूस हो गया, है ना. उसके बाद में वी कैन से वाटर, वाटर, राइट, and then oil we can say. These are the examples of liquid, right? और gas क्या है, gas is many gases are there and water vapor. Yes, so these things are known as gas. Okay, these things are known as gas. So children, whenever someone asks you that how many forms of water are there, so you will say three forms of water are there. They are solid, liquid and gas. Water, water vapor and yes, ice, right? Water, water vapor and ice, right? So these are the forms of water. Now we'll do work in our notebook. So all of you take out your notebook and get ready to do work in it, okay? Okay, so children, this is our notebook work, okay? First of all, we will write today's date, that is 10 November 2020, right? Neatly. Then we have to write chapter number 15, and then name, air, water and weather, right? And then we will write this first, because this is the first question. Fill in the blanks, right? After that, we will write number 1. What is number 1? Yes, moving air is called. Yes, you all know what do we call moving air? When air moves, we call it as wind. Right, students? W-I-N-D, wind. Moving air is called wind, right? And air is made up of several, yes, it consists of several gases, right? Yes. Now, third question is, all human beings and animals breathe in. When we breathe, what we take in? Yes, we take in oxygen, right? Even animals take in oxygen. Human beings and animals take in oxygen. Even plants take in oxygen, but they take in oxygen during night, not during daytime, right? Okay. Now, the fourth question is, how we can change water to ice by. Water हमारा ice में कैसे change हो जाता है? Yes, we put water in ice tray, and we keep that tray in freezer, right? And after 3 to 4 hours, it converts into ice, right? So, we can say that we can change water to ice by freezing, right? What is the method called? The method is known as freezing, right? Freezing, right? Now, fifth fill up is, harmful gases in the air comes from. Harmful gases जो हैं air में आती हैं, वो कहाँ से आती हैं? From where did they come? Yes, they come from cars and factories. Okay, so they come from cars, right? Harmful gases in the air comes from cars and factories, right, students? So, moving air is called wind. Air is made up of several gases, yes, but along with gases, it contains many other things like dust, smoke, germs, right? And next question is, all human beings and animals breathe in oxygen, right? And we can change water to ice by freezing, right? And harmful gases in the air comes from cars and factories, right? Now, let's move on to next question, okay? See children, now our next question is, give answer in one word, okay? So, the first question is, the process of changing solid into liquid by heating, है ना? Solid जो है वो हमारा liquid में change हो जाता है heating करने पर. So, what do we call it? We call it as, yes, melting. What do we call it? We call it as melting, right? Like ice होती है, ice हमारी किस में change हो जाती है? अगर हम उसे थोड़ी गर्म जगह पे रखते हैं तो वो किस में change हो जाती है? It will change into, yes, into water, right? Water droplets में convert हो जाती है. So this process happens through melting, yes. The process of changing water vapor into water by cooling, है ना? Water vapor से water में change हो जाता है ना? ठंडा होने पर. So हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? What do we call it? We call it as condensation. Yes, right? Now, plants use this gas to make their own food. Plants जो हैं वो इस गैस को use करते हैं अपना खाना बनाने के लिए, right? We all know that plants make their food themselves, right? So, how do they make their food? They make their food with the help of this gas, sunlight and water, right? So this gas is, yes, this is carbon dioxide, right students? Carbon dioxide. Okay, so the process of changing solid into liquid by heating is melting. The process of changing water vapor into water by cooling is known as condensation. And plants use this gas to make their own food is carbon dioxide. Okay, so children, this is your today's work. I hope you all have understood it very well, right? And practice it well and write it in your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Okay children, and try to learn it as well. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, take care. God bless you all.